Hi everyone, so I'm super excited to be doing today's video. As you guys know, I am an avid extension wearer and I've always shared with you guys what extensions I'm using and why I love them and so on and so forth. So a few months ago, I did switch extensions and extension companies, and I know that you guys noticed because you guys kept asking. And I wanted to try them out for a few months so that I had a full review. I wanted to see how they would wear over time because I feel most extensions can look really pretty out of a package, but it's really how they style, how they wear as you like sleep on them and so on. So it's been at least 3 months now that I've been wearing these new extensions and I'm absolutely in love. So I wore the laced clip-in extensions, like I said, for a little over 3 months. And then I was ready to go into tape-ins, and I got it in the color 8/613, which is this color here. I absolutely love the color. The hair feels absolutely amazing. It's really thick all the way through. One of the surefire ways to tell if extensions aren't as high quality is that the ends of the hair are not nearly as thick as the base. And as you can tell, the fullness is throughout. As you guys know, I was working with GlamSeamless for quite a long time. I absolutely loved their product. I still think they make great extensions, but as I mentioned in a previous video, their customer service got to a point that I personally couldn't even work with them. And I figured if I, as like an influencer who works with them, can't get good customer service, I couldn't imagine what my clients and my subscribers had to have been dealing with. And since that was a brand that I represented and obviously loved and shared with you guys, I didn't want that to continuously be an issue. So for those reasons, I decided to find a new extension company that I would be happy with. And of course, if I found that, I would be sharing that with you guys. So that is what I'm doing here today. I also want to teach you a little bit more about extensions because it's still a topic that I get a lot of questions on. Extensions are not only a great way to add length and volume, they're also a great way to add lightness to your hair. So first of all, there are the clip-in extensions. They're the least permanent of all the types. So you just clip them in, you style your hair, and at the end of the day, you can take off the extensions, shampoo your hair as normal, and go about your day. Then there are the tape-in extensions, which are a form of more permanent extensions. They're the micro links, the beaded wefts, the hand-tied wefts. So I'd say currently one of the most popular extension methods are the tape-ins, and the reason for that is their ease of application. You can easily get a full head of extensions on in about 30 minutes. And personally, I think the tape-ins are the absolute most comfortable. The salons love them because they're a quick, easy process, and clients love them for the comfort. Now, tape-in extensions are even more comfortable than clip-ins. And in the past, I had only had tape-ins installed kind of on my sides, but I'd never done full tape-in extensions, so this was my first time. So when I realized I absolutely love these extensions and I was ready to do something a little more permanent, I headed to my good friend Pedro's salon. We went to cosmetology school together and he's absolutely amazing. So we're here at Page Boy Salon with Pedro, and he's gonna be doing my extensions. And he's like one of the only hairdressers I trust to touch my hair. So to see how easy the installation and process is, I'm bringing you into the salon with me so you can see how that went. But this extension line is owned by an amazing boss babe. She's just such an inspiration and just awesome girl. And I'm super proud to be supporting a small business and like I said, a badass mom entrepreneur. So if you're on the market for some extensions, I highly recommend you check them out.
try to close my eyes, but then I hear you call. Yeah, your perfume that I still can stand. But every time I think these scars about to mend. No matter where I lay my head, another time, another bed. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. Nobody got the magic touch. How you make my heart rush? Why is that so hard to find? Nothing better than your kiss, something that I can't resist. Can't forget the nights you were mine.
Alright guys, so I hope I've answered most of your questions regarding extensions. If you have any further questions, please leave them down below. And as a partner with Laced Extensions, I can also get you 10% off your purchase by entering Ellebangs at checkout. I've left a link in the description box down below as well, so you can shop that. So yes, this is probably the happiest I've been with my hair in a really long time, and I love that I wake up with beautiful long mermaid hair. Alright guys, so I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.